The Deploy Trauma Kit is a fast access trauma kit designed specifically for treating massive bleeding. One hand, one action to access life-saving equipment. This is how to fit it to the CT Gryphon harness. On the back of the Deploy Trauma Kit, it has a MOLLE or PALS webbing attachment system. Traditionally, MOLLE webbing will look something like this. Horizontal strips of 25mm or inch webbing with a 25mm or inch gap, and this webbing can be repeated any number of times. This could be on a rucksack, a hydration pack, or a plate carrier. This is the same as on the back of the Deploy pouch, but with vertical weaving straps as well. Take the Deploy pouch and place it where you want it to sit on the object. Flip up the pouch so you can see the weaving straps, and you're going to pass them underneath the first run of webbing on the mounting object. You're going to take these same straps and pass them through the Deploy pouch. Pull them both tight. You're then going to take these weaving straps and pass them through the next run of webbing on your mounting object, and then you're going to do the same and pass them back through the Deploy pouch. Then when you've gotten to that point, you'll have these two rigid ends. What you're going to do is find the pockets in the orange material and place them inside of it. This creates a modular but semi-permanent attachment point to an object. We're going to do the same with our climbing kit. On the CT Gryphon harness, we're going to look for the horizontal webbing and do essentially the same. The ideal location for the Deploy Trauma Kit is on the central back so that it's accessible with either hand and it's also out of the way. On the CT Gryphon harness, we don't have a central attachment point, but we do have webbing on either side. The best place for the trauma kit to go is on your dominant side, because most power tool related injuries happen to your non-dominant arm or your non-dominant leg. Take the Deploy Trauma Kit and locate it where you want to mount it. Flip it up, and depending on how high you want to mount it, if you want it to mount higher up on the harness, we're going to pass through one run of webbing first on the Deploy Trauma Kit. If you want it to sit lower on your harness, then you won't take this step. You'll pass it straight through the Gryphon. Take those two weaving straps and pass them through the 50mm or 2-inch webbing on the Gryphon. Because this is 2-inch webbing, what we're going to do is we're going to skip 2 runs on the Deploy Trauma Kit and put it through the last run of webbing. Feed it through on one side and pull it tight. Feed it through the other side and pull it tight. And take these 2 rigid tabs and pop them into the pockets in the orange material on the Deploy. You now have fast access to a trauma kit.